4 minus 1 times the quantity 7 minus 1. Well, if you start like this, you would have 3 times 7 minus 1. Then do 7 minus 1, you would have 3 times 6. And you would say that the answer is 18. Except this, that's not correct. I didn't follow the order of operations. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. Parentheses first, then exponents, then multiply and divide, but you do them in order as they appear in the problem from left to right, and adding and subtracting in order from left to right. So I'm going to do this one again, starting with my parentheses. So I'm going to have 4 minus 1 times 7 minus 1 is 6. And then we have to do any multiplying or dividing. Well, this is multiplication right here. So it's going to be 4 minus 6. And then you can subtract 6 from 4, and we end up with -2. That's the correct answer. You got that? Try the next one.